Welcome back, Inka here with another review. Today, we will be reviewing the Galaxy A13 5G. This model is Samsung's most affordable 5G phone in the A series portfolio. Let's get to it. Samsung released the Galaxy A13 5G, bringing consumers the core features they rely on, including 5G connectivity, for only $250. The Galaxy A13 5G provides the innovations you need to simplify your day, such as long-lasting battery, outstanding camera, and a crisp HD Plus display. This $250 handset features a 6.5-inch 720 by 1600 display at 90 Hz, a 50 megapixel main camera, 64 GB of storage, and 5000 mAh battery, including a headphone jack at the bottom. Samsung wants to focus our attention around the A13 5G. It's a follow-up to last year's Galaxy A12, which was a 4G phone that cost $179. The back is an eggshell finish, black plastic with 3 cameras and the flash in the top left corner. Finally, you can see the Samsung logo at the bottom. There doesn't seem to be any kind of allophobic coating, so it collects a lot of fingerprints that are easy to wipe off. On the right edge of the A13, there's a volume rocker and a satisfying quick power button, which comes with a mounted fingerprint sensor and a combo SIM/micro SD card tray on the left. A USB port facing downward, along with a speaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, both at the bottom. The A13 5G comes with One UI 3.1 over Android 11. It's got all the normal Samsung tricks, including optional edge panels that add extra shortcuts and the ability to put apps in the little windows for multitasking. You might not want to do that on a phone size 720p, but you can. It's completely up to you. Samsung is promising 4 years of security patches for the A13. Running on a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with 4 gigs of RAM, the A13 5G is a stronger performer than the A12. Flicking around home screens, opening and switching apps, and even playing some fairly intensive games like Call of Duty Mobile all went off without any issues. You'll still get the odd stutter or hang, and you'll spend a little more time looking at app splash screens than you would with a more powerful device. But I think the user experience this hardware delivers is more acceptable for a budget phone. It's generally pretty good. While the A13 only has one speaker, it gets loud enough, but it doesn't produce that bass we may be used to when experiencing the type of sound we expect. During my time of use, the battery has managed to crank out 7 hours of life between charges. That included web browsing, messaging, some light gaming, and multiple hours of watching YouTube videos. The Galaxy A13 has 3 rear cameras, a 50 megapixel primary camera accompanied by 2 2-megapixel shooters, 1 macro and 1 depth. The primary camera kicks out decent images in good light. The 50 megapixel is decent, but when zooming into objects, its fine detail starts to look like a watercolor painting. The phone comes with some literature, a SIM ejector tool, and a USB C to C cable. That's right, there's no charger in this box, which is okay since most of us probably have plenty of wall chargers laying around. The big question is, should you buy? Yes, performance is great for the price. Battery life is really strong, and compared to other phones in this price range, its cameras aren't bad at all. Well, the primary one at least. It's also getting longer updated support than a lot of phones do, even more expensive ones like the Pixel 5a. If you want a brand new phone for just $250, the Galaxy A13 5G is among your best options today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. Until next time, Inka out.